people are more invested when they're paying money, right? So there's this feeling that they're already showing up to the table with like pen in hand and like ready for you to lead them, versus somebody that's interviewing you to figure out if they want to hire you, and then you start throwing out ideas and you could try this and trick, and then they get in their head and think like, is this guy just trying to like sell me something that I'm not even sure that we need this kind of video? He's talking about a brand video, but I thought we just needed like an explainer video that talked about who we are and what we do. And here you are talking about the story, and it's going to evoke emotion, and people are going to cry, and people are going to be more willing to give money if they cry. Is he just trying to sell us on this? Because I don't know. But as soon as they've got some skin in the game, whether it's, $500 or $2,500, or, just something to say, hey, I have this workshop that I take people through, and the outcome that you're going to get is this roadmap.